Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Mrs. Soom. I am Ruhi and today I am going to show you how to convert your plastic food cord mesh into a beautiful chandelier. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications. Let's get into the action. Materials required are a plastic food cord mesh, a stick touch lamp, glitter powder, pearl chain, some big decorative flowers, white lace, and some small decorative flowers, and some silver hangings. Paint hold the mesh inside and outside with Fevicryl white acrylic color. Make 4 holes to tie the threads to hang the chandelier. Apply Fevicol to the entire mesh and sprinkle the glitter powder. Stick pearl chain on the borders. Now decorate the mesh with decorative flowers. Stick the white lace with the help of hot glue gun or Fevicol. Now stick all the silver hangings throughout the lace. Now place 3 batteries in the stick touch lamp. Peel the sticker on the back side of the stick touch lamp and stick it on the center of the chandelier. Friends, if you like my video, please give a thumbs up and post your comments in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.